Let's put some more roof spars in. The little camper. Okay, enough goofing around. Let's do a little work. Always fun to goof off. Put your pipe clamp up there, just snug it a little bit. Make sure you're going to be able to get your board in. And also, make sure you got all your wiring holes on the same side. Make sure your measurements are correct. Everything's going to be on 12-inch centers, which should make this a pretty solid little camper. I'm just going to put in just a few of these spars for now, because I don't want them all in. I got to get back in here and sand these walls down. And I don't want to have to duck that would be that make it a little bit too, too much work, too much light work. So how far along are you on your build? You have any questions? You need any help? I don't know all the questions and answers. I know just a few of them. I know a bunch of other guys on YouTube that I talk to once in a while. They're pretty good builders too, so between all of us on here, you should be able to build your camper. I guess you notice I can't talk and glue at the same time. This way, like I did my last one, where you go out here and drill some pilot holes and put the boards and put your spars in like that, and then run your screws in there, and then fill with wood filler or Bondo. You got to paint it, fill with Bondo. You ask why do I like Bondo? Because it dries fast. It dries hard, and it's paintable. Remember, if these spars are twisted like that, Just kind of get the best of both worlds, but get both of these corners right here flush. And if you got one down here that's unflushed, you can run a planer across there, or side, center, or grinder. Get it where you want it to be. Do one more of these, and then that's pretty much going to be my day. When it starts sounding like a drum, like it, it's all tight together. All tight. Usually if you make a mistake, unless it's a really bad mistake, it's not too hard to make an adjustment. A little sanding, or if you cut too much out, you can add some wood back in. Depending on where you are, here you are in the field. It's kind of important to get these on. Whatever center it is, like I'm doing 1 foot centers. That way once you get a staple here and you get a staple on this end, then you know exactly where to go with it. That one's a little high, so we'll sand this off. Sand that a little bit right there. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Okay, so pretty much that'll be it for today, and I'll probably finish with the rest of these all for film and do the sanding and the revarnishing on the inside off camera, because everybody knows how to sand, everybody knows how to varnish. There's a billion videos on that, although you might see a little bit of my sanding and varnishing from time to time, but just don't want to wear you out on things like that. Try to give you stuff that's kind of technical and help you figure out how to do your build. So let's get the camera down. Turn the air conditioner on. Put it down in the shop. It's hot. Thank y'all for watching. 5x10 teardrop build.